Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to know if someone's online on Instagram. The most common answer to the question of how to see if someone is active on Instagram is the green dot symbol. This icon on Instagram indicates that the person is active at that moment. It is a good way to know if the person you want to talk to is available or not. If the green dot is not appearing next to their name in your direct inbox, they are not online currently. The same goes for the story section as well. If you don't see a green dot next to their username, it means they are not live at that moment. Here's how to find if the person's username has a green dot currently active. At the home screen, click the mail symbol or messenger symbol. Now, notice a list will appear with names of your friends or followers. Notice a green dot below the display picture of followers. If it is green, it means the person is active. Otherwise, they are offline for now. Method 2. Direct messaging. This feature is especially useful if you want to track who is active in your inbox and who is not, especially when someone was active that last time. You can use this information to decide when to reach out to someone or to determine if someone has been inactive. Here's how to see if someone is active on Instagram via the direct messaging feature in Instagram. On the home screen, click the mail icon or the messenger icon. Once there, you will see the name list of your friends who followed you. Tap into message. Below their username, you will see a dot. The person is active if it is green, otherwise offline. Method 3. Activity status in chat. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.